Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10 and 11. After that we will also check how to convert it back to a normal flash drive. If you're looking for a quick and straightforward tutorial, well, you just found it, so let's get started. Alright, before we start you are going to need a USB stick with the minimum capacity of 8 GB. If you have it, please make sure there's no important files on it because all data will be deleted from the stick. Open your favorite browser, go to Google and search for Windows Installation Media. Actually, you can type any combination of the words Windows, installation or flash drive. You will have the same results, so it doesn't really matter. Then click on the first result from Microsoft Support. I'm gonna leave a direct link to this download page in the video's description. Since I'm gonna update my computer to Windows 11, I'm gonna use the download tool of that, but if you want to download Windows 10, feel free to do it. It will be the same process, maybe with different design. After that, look for Create Windows 10 or 11 Installation Media and then click Download Now. Once it's downloaded, you can open it by clicking on it, or if you can't see this, you can open your File Explorer and open it from there. Since this is a Windows application, this is gonna be the slow part. As you can see, it's getting a few things ready right now. After that, you just have to accept the license agreement. And getting few things ready again. If you uncheck this checkbox, you will be able to change the default settings for language and edition. In the edition field, you should see Windows 10 or 11, but you don't have to change this. If you are downloading Windows 10, there is a third line which is architecture with 3 options: 32-bit, 64-bit or both. If you are not sure which architecture your PC or laptop uses, choose both. After you hit next, you can choose the media to use. This tutorial is about creating a bootable flash drive, so we're obviously gonna choose the first option. In case you're wondering, the second option is for creating a bootable DVD, but let's be honest, nobody's using CDs anymore, right? So hit next again, and on the next page you can select your USB flash drive. If you see multiple devices and you are not sure which one to use, you can always go back to your computer and check it there. And please make sure you saved all your important files from it because it will be automatically deleted. Now click on next, and after that, surprise, it's getting a few things ready again. After these mysterious things are ready, it will start the download process. This part can take for a while depending on the speed of your internet connection. You can just go and grab a coffee or tea while you're waiting, but I'm going to fast forward this part of the video. Well, if you think it's ready, you're wrong. It still has to copy the downloaded data on your flash drive. This part can also take for a while depending on the processing power of your computer and the speed of your USB stick. So let's fast forward this part too. Well done! You have successfully created a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10 or 11. Now you will be able to install Windows on your computer with this, but that's not part of this tutorial. You can check your flash drive by clicking on this link or from your computer. Now we can close this window by clicking on Finish. Before you plug in your USB stick, make sure you eject it first. After you created a bootable flash drive, you won't be able to use it as a regular one. Therefore, you won't be able to store any data on it. In the next part, I'm going to show you how can you reset this stick for further usage. As you can see, I have just updated my computer to Windows 11, so the flash drive did work. If you're still using Windows 10 or an earlier version, don't worry, resetting the flash drive will be the same process for you guys. To be honest, the easiest way to do this is to download a free third-party application like Rufus. But we will probably use it once a year, so I think it's unnecessary. Therefore, I'm going to use Windows Basic Disk Partition function, and I promise you guys it will be really fast and easy. First you have to press Windows and R keys to open the Run dialog box. You can also open this by pressing on the Start menu and then typing in Run. After the dialog box opens, type here disk part and then hit enter. this will open up a CMD window for disk partition. Since I promised you guys a quick tutorial, I'm not going to explain all of my following steps, but if you have any questions regarding these, feel free to use the comment section. The first command we will type in is list disk, or you can use the short version which is list disk, like me. They are basically the same commands as you can see. If you need it, you can find these in the video's description. Don't forget that after each command you have to press enter. Now we will have to choose our bootable flash drive we want to reset. If you are not sure which one is it, you can always go back to your computer and check it there. Since there is only one flash drive plugged into my computer, I know this will be the one with 14 GB. If you have multiple devices plugged in and you are not sure which one is it, you can always open them, and if you see these folders, that will be the one. Now I know that disk free with 14 GB is my flash drive, so I'm selecting it by typing cell disk free, then hit enter. After it's selected, type clean and hit enter to continue. After it's succeeded, type create partition primary, then hit enter again. Now activate it by typing active, then hit enter again. Now we have an active partition on our flash drive. We just have to format it to ntfs file system and we are done. To do that, you just have to use the following command: format fs equals ntfs quick. After you hit enter, you just have to wait a few seconds and it will be finished. And it's finished. Now, as a final step, you have to type a sign and then hit enter. And that's it, guys. You have just successfully fixed your USB flash drive. Well done. Now, if we go and check it in our file explorer, we should see our empty flash drive there. Don't forget to close your CMD window. You just have to type in exit, then hit enter. Well, I don't know about you guys, but USB drive G doesn't sound good for me, especially because I have this cool Darth Vader USB stick. No, this wasn't a commercial. So I think I'm gonna change its name back to the original. The first way to do that is the basic right click, then rename option. The second way is to click on it, then wait a second and click again. And there you go. Cool, isn't it? Now you can just eject your USB stick if you want. So this was my tutorial for today. Thank you guys for watching, and please let me know in the comment section how you got on. If you have any questions, I will do my best to answer it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more tutorial like this from me in the future, hit the red subscribe button. Thank you.